Game time, game time, game time. How can you use math to your advantage? This is you and you have 3500 rupees in your pocket. This is your girlfriend and today is her birthday. So, if you go to a mall and if she wants to shop anything, you go inside a store. So first, she takes a top of 1500 rupees. Then she goes on to the next counter and take jeans of 2144. Then she buys little items of 16 rupees and she takes 16 of them. Now you are worried what is the total and if it fits under your budget. Let's see. So 1500 plus 2144 will count to 3644 and 16 times 16 which is 256. Well, how did I count it? So 16 square will be, go 4 down, which is 20 times 12. So 240 plus 16 which is 256. So 256 plus 3644 will be 3900 and you have a discount of 20% on 3900. So what is 20% of 3900? It is 780. How did I calculate it? 3900 upon 10 which is 10%. You just have to double it. Now if you subtract 780 from 3900, you will get 3120. You are happy, it fits under your budget. So you have calculated all the numbers without using any calculator. Hey, so this is how you used mathematics to your advantage without using any calculators. Well, what's the main point over here? We have used all the techniques of addition, subtraction, squaring and percentages in just one video, or rather in one case where you can go into mall and go into any shopping store without fail. So in this way you can use all the techniques very easily and fundamentally. So if you have liked this video, please make sure that you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel and share it on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.